Yo, what is up, beautiful people? We are not messing around today. Listen, if your flat iron is still rocking temperature controls from the 90s, bless your heart, but it's time for an upgrade. We dove deep, scoured the globe, and found the best hair straighteners of 2026 that are giving us shine, no frizz, and most importantly, no heat damage. Let's get into it. First up, we got to talk about the Ionic 10X styling iron. This is for my busy baddies. If you're rushing out the door and need flawless hair yesterday, this is your move. It's a 1-inch plate with something they call moisturizing heat technology. What does that mean for you? It means you can get your hair done in 10 minutes, flat. That's not a typo, that's just science. It straightens, it curls, and it keeps your hair hydrated. We love to see it. Okay, let's bring it back to the absolute legend, the GHD Gold. Look, if you want a workhorse, this is it. It comes in a great range of sizes, from 0.5 inch for those detailed edges all the way up to 2 inch for maximum coverage. The ceramic technology here is professional grade. Why do people swear by GHD Gold? Because it guarantees stronger hair and more color protection. It keeps your vibrant color locked in and your strands smooth. It's the reliable best friend of flat irons. The GHD Chronos Max, often referred to as the Max or wide plate version, takes that same cutting-edge technology and scales it up for efficiency. This version features significantly wider plates, specifically engineered to tackle long, thick, or curly hair types in a fraction of the time. While it retains the 24-hour lasting power and the no heat damage promise of the original, its physical design is less about versatile curling and more about covering maximum surface area quickly. It is the heavy-duty solution for those who find standard irons take too long to get through their hair, allowing for styling in larger sections without sacrificing that 85% boost in shine. We're leveling up the tech with the T3 SinglePass Style Max. Y'all know T3 is all about that smart styling. This bad boy has custom heat automation. It literally learns your hair texture and finds the perfect heat setting. 9 heat settings, longer ceramic plates, and it's a total multitasker. Straightening, waving, curling. If you're someone who changes your style every day, this ceramic hero gives you that single pass perfection without the guesswork. No cap, this is styling tailored just for you. The GHD Chronos is the ultimate all-rounder, designed with slim, high-performance plates that make it incredibly versatile. It utilizes HD motion responsive technology, which means it constantly adapts the heat delivery to your hand movements to maintain the perfect styling temperature of 185 degrees Celsius. Because the plates are a standard width, this model is the go-to for precision work. It's just as capable of creating effortless waves and curls as it is at delivering a glass-like straight finish. It is the ideal choice for those with short to medium length hair or anyone who wants a single tool that can handle multiple different styles. So, there you have it, the Elite 4 that are dominating the styling game right now. Whether you need speed, customization, reliability, or 24-hour perfection, there is a flat iron here that deserves a spot on your vanity. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which flat iron is calling your name. Stay beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.